Hello again, a new day, a new project. What I want to do today, I have two of these lithium polymer cells recovered from some laptop batteries, and it was in my mind to build a small battery with enough voltage and to have this working on this with this kind of battery. So I don't want to care about voltages anymore or change batteries. What I want to do today is just to make the connection over here, to have some pieces of wire, double tape, and we are in the business. So this will be minus over here. Okay, just let me put it together first with some tape. So in these two cells, I'm gonna have around 7.5 volts. It's more than enough for this little machine to work. It's M328. Okay, so this is tied together. Okay, let me check the voltage first. We have plus here and minus over here. 8 volts, perfect. Then let's have two pieces of wire. That is minus. The schematic for this kind of project, it's very easy. So I got two lithium polymer cells, and they are something like this. We have the plus over here, a minus, plus and minus. So I can call this 2 in series, and there will be around 8 volts DC and maybe 1100 milliamps around. I'm not sure, because these cells are pretty wasted. I told you these are recycled cells from wasted laptop batteries. And of course, two batteries in series, one into another. So here is plus with minus. Here in the middle is this connection. It's under the tape because I put this kind of tape all around. I don't want any surprises with shorting things. And I got this wire over here. This is the minus. You see? Minus. And the other one, it's plus. And you can see that I let them a little bit longer. Why? Because when I need it, then I can use alligator clips. You see, like this, and my IMAX, and I can charge the battery. So I don't have to do any kind of other connection or to disconnect the batteries and so on. Simple. Oh, there was a little shorty. Okay, so let's see if it's working. Push the button. Yes, of course it's working. Let's have a little test. 8 volts on the batteries, in the batteries, 9.3 mega ohms. Perfect. Finally, I really like this project. Now this transistor tester, it's feeling steady, it's feeling heavy, it's feeling good on the table, and I may say it's got personality. So let me show you something else. From the same battery, I gain another 3 cells, and this is a 3S. Okay, it's 3 in series, and I'm using this for what? For supplying my little oscilloscope. Look there, and it's working perfect. Now I can say I have a very portable unit. I can go anywhere and everywhere to do my tests. Okay, let's see, by the way, if we can do some test over here. Yes, we can see all kind of signals over there. Huh, this is funny. So it doesn't see doesn't see the resistor anymore. It's seeing a capacitor from the meter itself, from the oscilloscope itself. The point is, what I was trying to say, never throw batteries in the trash. Always put them together and recycle them, place them in the places where you can see the sign for recycling batteries and electronics. You know, this lithium and any kind of alkaline batteries, lead acid batteries, all the batteries, they have really bad chemicals for the ground, for the environment. Never throw them in the trash. Put them in the special places for this. Okay, that was for today. I hope you enjoy my little project, and I'll be back soon with some new projects. In the meantime, if you like, push like. If you want to subscribe, please. And if you have any question, ask. Don't forget to have fun, stay safe, and bye-bye.